Hello, Paul here from the Digital Learning team, and today I'm going to give you a few tips about recording audio. Whether you're shooting video or recording voiceovers or podcasts, audio is very important. It may seem simple, but here are a few tips to help you get it right first time. When possible, always try and use a microphone. Whether it's an attachment for your phone or an actual audio recorder, this will get you the best result. When using microphones, try and keep them as close to your mouth as possible, but between 6 and 12 inches away. This will remove any sort of pops or whistles from your voice in the recording, but also it will remove any sort of background noise or ambient noise that you don't want in your final result. When using a smartphone or tablet, it's always best to be conscious of the microphone. In this case, it's down the side here. So when setting up your device, clear a space on your desk, removing anything that could block the microphone and distorting the sound. When shooting video, it's always best to record a secondary audio track, and that way you're not relying on the audio from your video camera. But when doing so, we'd recommend doing a quick clap. This way you'll get an audio spike on your recording, but also a visual cue on the camera, so when it comes to the edit, you'll have both of these cues to synchronize a lot more easily in the final edit. A simple yet obvious tip is to make sure that any device you're using to record your audio is switched on and recording properly. So grab a pair of headphones, test it out, and if you're using Panopto or another online source, make sure that your webcam or whichever audio device you're using is attached correctly by making sure that the audio bar is flickering up and down and is turned green. That way you'll know it's recording and you'll get the best result. When recording audio for voiceovers or podcasts, finding the right location is key. And it's not always that easy, especially when working from home. It needs to be quiet and appropriate, which isn't always easy when living with others.
Are you almost done in there?
We'd recommend the bedroom, and even getting under the covers. It may seem stupid, but the furniture in a bedroom and even under the covers acts as sort of a dampener for the audio, and this will remove any reverb or echo that you don't want, and again will yield the best result. And also, if you get bored, this place does second as a great place to take a nap.